What's up, my people? What's up, mi gente? What's up, all my Harley riders? Today we're gonna be installing some LEDs on my bike. We're gonna be changing out those ugly factory light bulbs, and we're gonna go ahead and install these right here. Bam, badass. We're gonna be installing the ProBeam LED brake lights. I got these off of Amazon. They are made by Custom Dynamics. These are the ProBeam's LED brake lights. This should be a fairly easy install. All you're gonna need is just a screwdriver. Pretty basic. There's a little notch under here, right under there, and all you gotta do is just twist. The lens will come right off. I think these were like about 109 on Amazon. Sometimes they come with a little dot, little red dot. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Well, right there is a little notch. It's like a little hole. Sometimes it's painted red, sometimes it's not. And you'll see there's a little notch right there also where you can put a screwdriver. So when you want to put it in there, put it into a little notch. I'm sorry if that's a little blurry. And then you just twist it, okay? If you try to put it in there and it doesn't fit, doesn't go in, it's because you probably have it the wrong way. See, it's not turning. So let's turn it around. And twist it. It should lock into place. And then all you have to do is, you see this wire here? You twist it. Give it a little twist so it will coil up in there. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put it in there. And then snap it into place. And now that's one. What I want to do is I want to compare it. Just snaps on. All right, let's try it out. Let's check it out. Let's see the difference. LED and the regular stock bulb. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights. All right. What's it look like? What's it look like? Oh, not bad, not bad. All right. I like the LEDs. All right, let's go ahead and let's bring you guys over so you guys can take a look and see a little better there. All right, okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's put the left. What you guys think? A little brighter. Left side is the LED from Control Dynamics. Right side, stock bulb. Let's check out the right side. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know if you like it. All right. Turn lights back on and let's go ahead and change out the other one. All right, let's turn them back on. It's just the LEDs now. Now let's check it out. There we go. All right, so let's talk about why you actually need LED lights. Number one, you are on two wheels, right? So you're not in the car, which has four wheels, and you're not protected. Out here when you're riding a bike, you really aren't protected. Of course, you do have your helmet on, you have gloves, you have your gear, you know, jacket, pants, boots. You have all that, but it's going to be brighter, all right? So people can see you. Same reason for having the loud pipes. You want people to hear you when you're out there. It's not because we want to be badasses and show off. I mean, well, yeah, sometimes we do, but you know, you get it, right? You want people to hear you when you have loud pipes. That's what you want. And for me, it just makes sense. I mean, it's no way, there's just no way around it. The brighter that you are, as far as lights, people can see you. Safety is number one. Do everything that you can so that you can be seen, you can be heard. It's all about being safe. And when you're out there riding, you know, you always have to be watching out for everybody else. Don't assume that the driver next to you has seen you. Don't ride. I've seen guys ride where there's a vehicle, and I've seen guys, oops, there goes. Yeah, I've seen guys ride where there's a vehicle here and they're right in the blind spot. Come on. You want to at least scoot up so they can see you eye to eye or be in front of them. Does it make sense? Huh? It makes sense, right? It's all about safety. It's all about riding safe. I mean, you want to get home to your family, your friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. By the way, I forgot to say in my last video that the stubby antenna, you know what, you're supposed to say that you're not being sponsored by them or anything like that. I purchased the stubby antenna on my own, just like I purchased these LEDs from Custom Dynamics on Amazon. But hey, Custom Dynamics or anybody else, if you want to send me some stuff so I can try out, by all means, go for it. No problem. I'm going to go ahead and put my address somewhere so you guys can go ahead and send me something. Contact me or whatever. You want people to see you. You want people to hear you. Damn phone. It's too fucking hot out here.